What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of me just, doing my thing, opening up packs, mail, whatever we get, and, showing a little bit of the collection in the back, as y'all can see. For today, we're going to open up some random packs that we found at Target the other day without even wanting to, find. This is obviously last month's cards, 3 starters that came out. Also, found this and this. Not sure if people are finding this as like the new Sun and Moon, or there's just more Pokemon product up on shelves. I really don't know what's going on, but I'm glad I did find some cards without wanting to find cards. Also, we're gonna open up some mail that I don't know if you guys watched my previous video, but I opened up a Battle Evolutions Dragon Ball, Unison Warrior series cards, and it was a pretty good booster box, I'll say that. So this is just to add to the collection, because I like to keep one sealed, one open. Obviously, I don't have, Tournament of Power stuff, or all the ones that are going for the high price. This is where we got the booster box from. As you guys can see, some Magic, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, and obviously Dragon Ball cards. My receipt, pretty cool. I like it. I like the way it's wrapped, the way it's the way they shipped it. Oh, wait a minute. I know this should be a reprint. Well, not a reprint, but it should be a one card pack coming in with this booster box. I will email them, because I know it's not going to be inside, because for my previous cards they weren't inside. Now let's look at the art again. Yeah, I know we looked at the art on the previous video, but hey, you can never have too much Dragon Ball. Yeah, like I said, in our last video, we pulled a secret card on our first pull, which I thought it was pretty dope. All right, so let's open up this pack right here. I got the scissors just because I wanted to, All right, so we have a pack of Sun and Moon, and we have some Vivid Voltage. So I bought these cards about a month ago. I bought 3 of them, one for me, one for my kids. I also got them the folder that you can store this, big jumbo cards on. And I guess you're supposed to collect 3 of the starters per month. Every month is gonna have different Pokemons that were starters. And honestly, I just want the last wave, which is gonna be Bulbasaur, Squirtle, and Charmander. All right, here we go. Let's set it off then. 1, 2, 3. I believe that's 3 cards. If not, it's gonna be 4. Here we go. All right, so that's 4. Energy, Nesball, Araquanid, Professor, Skarmory, Caterpie, Sandygast, this guy, Wishiwashi, and Beware. Yeah, so that's Sun and Moon. Nothing special. Wasn't really expecting any great pulls out of that pack. I don't think anybody ever expects great pulls from that pack, to be honest. So let's go with Vivid Voltage. There you guys go. Code card 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check out the back of this card. Not bad. Water Energy. Kakuna, Sirchester, Bath, Stunfisk, Fampi, Cupid, Vegeta, Voltorb, oh no, Wooper, and not even a holo. Okay. That's fine. Like I said, I wasn't expecting any great pulls in this one. Let's open up this one. I like that that holo. Looks pretty badass. Okay, let's attempt to open up this pack of Battle Styles. There we go. Put this one to the side. Basura. Sorry about that. Here's a nice little coin that comes in. Let me get a focus right there. There we go. You see it. Let's code card. There you guys go. You know, a little baby Pokemon right there. So cute. Toxel. And Toxtricity. I don't know, I think it looks pretty dope. That's just my opinion. I will sleeve this one just because I think it's a pretty dope card. Alright, let's get ready to open up Battle Styles. Now, it would be pretty dope to pull a Tyranitar out of this one. I mean, if in this video overall. Doesn't matter which kind. 3, 4. I believe, yeah, I believe that's the countdown. Alright, let's get it. Energy. For ugly. Not dope. Surprised it's not a rare. Seadra. Single Strike. Spoink. Mr. Mime. Scatterbug. A Yamper. Wow. Rapid Strike. Luxray. Reverse Holo. And a Clado. Like I said, it would be pretty dope to have a good pull on this, but I don't think we're going to be quite honest. Now, I'm only going to open up one of these. One of them I will keep in my seal collection. I know, right? Weirdo. So I'm going to open it up. I have a good feeling about this one, so I'm going to open up this one. Here we go. Before we open it, it's a pretty cool Jolteon promo. I like it. I like it a lot. Big packs. What coin comes in? I didn't even realize. Okay, I already have that one. Ooh, that was kind of difficult. Sword and Shield battle style. A little bent, as you guys can see, but hey, it's a Jolteon. Pretty dope. I like it. I'm going to sleeve this one. Obviously. Probably put it inside one of these protectors. Only if I can get it in. Here we go. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Top loader, hopefully, strains it a little bit. I'm gonna put some weight on top of that. And like I was saying, 3 packs. 2, 3. We're gonna open up this Tyranitar at last. The last. Okay, cool. We did open it from the right side that we wanted to see. Here you guys go. Code card. Put in those code cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, Energy, Rapid Strike, Single Strike, Heatmore. Have not got that art or this one. That one got it. Got it. Ooh, Single Strike. I have not gotten that card. Don't. And Steelix. Pretty dope. I think I already pulled this one. I'll probably just save it, give it to one of my little kids. So we'll keep it skewed up right here. Right there. Here we go. Let me just, sorry guys, just want to stack my cards up here. I like keeping them organized. Alright, we're going to open up the Tyranitar last, like I said earlier. Oh no. So I gotta remember the front of it is pretty much the back of the cards. Here you guys go, another code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Rapid Strike, another Zedra, Camping Gear, Single Strike, Horsey, Lickitung. Have not pulled that one yet. Single Strike, and a Licky. All right. So, obviously we didn't get any good pulls on this video. Hopefully this last card pack, redeems us. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cards. Energy, Level Ball, Cockturn, Girder, Cubone, Subat, Spearow, Fomantis, Reverse, Rapid Strike, and a Crobat. Yeah, so pretty, oops, sorry about that. Pretty whack pulls, to be honest, from this set so far. No wonder why people are leaving them in the shelves, not buying them. It is what it is. Thanks for sticking with me, guys, on this video. Until next time, ta-ta.